Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. I'm back with a new video. In this following video, I'll be showing you the steps on how you can change card in Zelle account. In order to do so, first thing first, you need to make sure that you already have an account, and also make sure to stick with us till the end of this video. So then log in into your account by entering your login credential. That includes entering your email address or your username and a password associated with your Zelle app. After you're logged into your account, in the top left corner you'll be able to see a gear icon. Click on it, and as you click on the gear icon, you'll be directed to the settings page, and under settings you'll be able to find multiple options. So you'll need to click on the account option. As you click on account, a drop down menu appears, and from the list you need to click on switch account. As you click on switch account, now you'll be able to link or add your debit card. So in order to link debit card, you'll need to provide in your debit card number, full name, and the expiry date associated with your debit card. And once you're done entering your information, click on the add button, and then you've successfully added your debit card to your Zelle account. In this way, you can add debit card to your Zelle app. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.